Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum kids. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm your teacher, Ma'am Tayiba Awais. In this class, we learn about the next 4 English alphabets and their sounds. Before going to the next lesson, let's take a short review of previous lesson. In previous lesson, we learned the sound of A, B, B, C, K, D, D, E, A, F, G, G, H, H. Which letter comes after H? I. I comes after H. This is capital I. This is capital I. This is capital I. Trace it with your dominant finger. Capital I. This is small I. This is small I. This is small I. Trace it with your dominant finger. Small I. And the I sound is E. I, E, I, E, I, E, igloo, I, E, igloo, I, E, igloo, I, E, iron, I, E, iron, I, E, iron, I, E, ink pot, I, E, ink pot, I, E, ink pot, I, E, ice cream, I, E, ice cream, I, E, ice cream. Tell me, where is capital I? Capital I. Tell me, where is small I? Small I. Tell me, where is ice cream? Tell me, where is igloo? Igloo. Tell me, where is ink pot? Ink pot. Tell me, where is iron? Iron. Which letter comes after I-E? J letter comes after I-E. This is capital J. This is capital J. This is capital J. Trace it with your dominant finger. Capital J. This is small j. This is small j. This is small j. Trace it with your dominant finger. Small j. And the j sound is j, 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 J J joker. J J joker. J J joker. J J jug. J J jug. J J jug. J J jar. J J jar. J J jar. J J jacket. J J jacket. J J jacket. Now tell me, where is the small j? Small j. Where is the capital J? Capital J. Now tell me, where is a jacket? Jacket. Where is jar? Jar. Where is the joker? This one. Where is the jug? This one. Very good. Which letter comes after J? K. K comes after J. This is capital K. This is capital K. This is capital K. Now trace it with your dominant finger. Capital K. This is small k. This is small k. This is small k. Trace it with your dominant finger. Small k. And the K sound is K, 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 key, K, K, key, K, K, key, K, K, kangaroo, K, K, kangaroo, K, K, kangaroo, K, K, king, K, K, king, K, K, king, K, K, kite, K, K, kite, K, K, kite. Now tell me, where is the capital K? This one. Okay, where is the small k? This one. Tell me, where is the kite? This one. Tell me, where is the king? This one. Tell me, where is the key? Key. Tell me, where is kangaroo? Kangaroo. Good. Which letter comes after K, K? L comes after K, K. This is capital L. This is capital L. This is capital L. Now trace it with your dominant finger. capital L. This is small l. This is small l. This is small l. Press it with your dominant finger. Small l. And the L sound is L, la, L, la, L, la, L, la, loin, L, la, loin, L, la, loin, L, la, lamp, L, la, lamp, L, la, lamp, L, la, lemon, L, la, lemon, L, la, lemon, L, la, leaf, L, la, leaf, L, la, leaf. Okay, tell me, where is the small l? This one. Where is the capital L? This one. Okay, tell me, where is lemon? This one. Tell me, where is leaf? This one. Tell me, where is loin? This one. Tell me, where is lamp? This one. Very good. Well done. So kids, that was our today's class. Practice this lesson as much as you can. For more videos, please like and subscribe my channel and share it with others. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz. Tata, bye bye.